Hello and welcome to another update video about Bonk. On the Bonk chart, we have seen a first reaction after the 5th of August low, which was potentially impulsive. So we have a potential 5-wave move to the upside. Now a pullback, which still could be corrective. We have an A wave, a B wave, and then this could be like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in wave C, but it now needs to really think about doing an upside reversal. This is the support region. It's between 167,309 and 191,988. Price has so far not given us any indication of a low. I've also only highlighted this with a question mark because it requires proving, right? Because the move to the downside is only in 3 waves. Ideally, it would be in 5 to get, let's say, a complete larger time frame picture. Why is that? Because we're dealing with an A, B, C structure from the top there in May, and the C wave would be a 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, one more low is missing. There are always ways to there are always exceptions that are possible. What I can share with you is that we have a first reaction. The problem is that reaction didn't break above or didn't lead to a break above resistance. So one more low is definitely something that nobody should be surprised about. I can also tell you that a break above the trend line could be a first breakout signal, really, to the upside. But then I would need to see a break above resistance as well at 219,160, because essentially in this yellow wave count that allows for one more low, you can say we have actually been in a downtrend from the May top, right? And the local, we've been printing lower lows and lower highs, and also on the micro level, lower lows and lower highs. And to, let's say, change that trend, we need to see a break above resistance. And that hasn't happened yet. And that's what we need to observe the 219,160 level for. Very important. That's that 50% retracement there. That hasn't been broken yet. So that's really key. Even if the trend line breaks, it could simply be a larger wave 4. Regardless of which one it is, the 167,309 level is the line in the sand for the bullish scenario, for the white wave count, which I highlight as potential, but there is absolutely no sign for a breakout or anything, right? There's not even a buy reaction, anything. So yeah, I think it's a good time to watch it, but don't get too excited too early. It needs to prove itself, certainly. Yes, we have a first reaction. Yes, we have a pullback that looks potentially corrective, but it hasn't really given us a breakout signal or even a proper, there's nothing on this chart that tells me that Bonk is motivated to start a third wave to the upside. So before we talk about upside targets, let's first see if the bulls turn up before we break below 167,309. Is there a trend line? There is a trend line here highlighted in purple, which the price could test as well. Okay, it is pretty much crossing that 78.6 retracement. Actually, it's a bit lower than that, but the support area is not an invalidation point, right? So what we want to avoid is a sustained break below that 78.6 fib level. Could easily test the trend line and then go. Those are the things to watch for. That's the update about Bonk. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.